Today I'm going to show you how to make a lemon posset. First you need a skillet, 4 lemons, heavy whipping cream, and sugar. As you can see, I am all out of sugar, so I have to run to the store and grab some. And then dig out your lemons, which is a very tedious process, but trust me, it's worth it in the end. Now, you gotta heat up your oven and then mix your mixture until it becomes a little bit sweet, a little bit lemony, and a little bit creamy. And then after it gets done getting to like a light simmer, you want to go ahead and take it off and put it in the fridge for about an hour. And then you want to fill up your empty lemon lids. And then there you have it, lemon posset. And then you can flambe, you can add a little grape to be fancy. That's what I did, because I don't know how to use a blowtorch. Anyway, enjoy. Easy. 7.5 out of 10. I think my stomach was hurting afterwards, though. A little bit too much cream.